Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good afternoon everyone. So first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Enda Wahyuni and I'm from the 6th semester in English Education Department of STKIP Muhammadiyah Bogor. Today, I would like to be a teacher for your class, and then I will teach you the material about descriptive text such as last week. And then before that, let's say basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And then after that, I will absent for your class. So at this meeting, we will discuss again about one of the genres in English text, namely descriptive text. Previously, we discussed about popular places in the world. So, to explore the material about descriptive text, we must know the meaning of the word descriptive itself. So, it can be concluded that descriptive text is a text that explains something. For example, describing a people, animals, or an object in terms of shape, characteristic, number, and so on. Descriptive text itself also aims to explain, describe, or reveal a person or a thing. If you want to write a descriptive text, make sure the arrangement is like this. First, identification. The identification section contains an introduction and an overview of a topic. And then identification serves as an introduction to what we are describing so that the readers or listeners do not misunderstand. For example, what we describe is a cat, but the readers or listener actually misunderstand being a dog. And then the second is description. The description sections contains a special characteristic or traits contained in the object, a person or animal that you are describing. The next is characteristic of descriptive text. Now, let's look again at the characteristic possessed by descriptive text so that you are not confused about how to start writing a good and correct descriptive text. Descriptive text has several characteristics. Namely, first, using simple present tense. This tense is used because in descriptive text, we will explain a fact or truth contained in a thing or a person. And then the second, use a lot of adjectives. The word adjective is used because in the descriptive text, we will explain the properties of an object, human or animal. And then the third, we will often encounter the word is or relating verb in descriptive text because is it means refers to the explanation of the thing, person, or animal we are describing. And then descriptive text only focuses on describing one object. Artinya, tes deskriptif ini memiliki beberapa ciri, yaitu yang pertama, menggunakan simple present tense. Tenses ini digunakan karena dalam tes deskriptif, kita akan menjelaskan suatu fakta atau kebenaran yang terdapat pada suatu hal atau orang. Dan yang kedua, menggunakan banyak kata sifat. Kata sifat yang digunakan karena di dalam descriptive text, kita akan menjelaskan sifat-sifat suatu benda, manusia, atau hewan. Dan yang ketiga, kita akan sering menjumpai kata is atau kata kerja penghubung dalam teks deskriptif. Karena is artinya adalah yang mengacu pada penjelasan tentang benda, orang, atau hewan yang kita gambarkan. Dan yang terakhir, teks deskriptif hanya berfokus pada mendeskripsikan satu objek saja. Then, how to make a descriptive text about animals in English? First, determine what animal will be the object, whether it describes a pet or a wild animal that lives in the forest or zoo. And then, what is next? Well, the following easy and simple steps can help you make an example of a descriptive text about animals. Is first, choose an animal that you've seen or you can search for a picture on the internet. And then the second is pay attention to the body parts such as tail, feet, body, head, or another, and then look for special body parts and their uses. Example, trunk in elephants or long legs in giraffes. And then hair color or body color, the place to live and the food, and then compare it with the others animals. If it's your pet, tell us what makes it special for you. Start compiling an example of descriptive text about animals. Well, here is the descriptive text about animals that you can use as an example. To understand better, do it yourself first. Of course, there are many animals that you have seen before. In addition to the following animals, the example of descriptive text this time is about cats. You can see this picture of a cat. The title is My Lovely Cat. And then the first paragraph, I have a stray cat as my pet. And then he is really playful. He loved to play with me, and the new things he found is he has orange and white fur. His fur is so soft and I like to rub it for him. He has a long tail, he likes to play with it, and he is also always trying to catch his tail. Sometimes I also like to hold him in my hand. When I hold him like that, he will fall asleep. And then from those picture we can see that the first paragraph or the first sentence is identifications. This sentence explains that the writer has a stray cat as his pet is cat. The second paragraph contains description and contains an explanations or description of the author's cat by describing its characteristic and habits, such as the cat likes to play, he has soft orange and white fur, and he likes to play with his tail. And then example of descriptive text about animals do not have to be long either. No need to choose stranger and rare animals in the world. The main thing is that you know the characteristic of the animal. The next is the example of monologue descriptive text. Here I have a picture of football player Lionel Messi. His full name is Lionel Andreas Messi. He was born in Rosario, Argentina on 24 June 1987. Lionel Messi is a famous footballer in the world, and how he is playing for FC Barcelona in Spain. He is a very talented footballer. He can dribble well like dancing. He is handsome and he also can run very fast, although his body is too short for a footballer. When he played in FC Barcelona, he won many awards. In FC Barcelona, he has won the best footballer in the world 4 times. In Spain, he is also become a top scorer. A short and simple description with good English grammar will be better than making a long, windy descriptive text. So, simplicity is necessary when we are learning a new language. Keep it simple and easy. So, that's all our material today. Thanks for your attention. Thanks for watching, and I hope it's useful for you. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.